everyone, welcome back. If you're not receiving a verification code from the Lloyds, the issue is usually related to your network or contact details. First, check that your mobile has a strong signal and is able to receive text messages. Then, make sure the number you've registered is correct and active. Then, wait at least few minutes before requesting another code, as sending multiple requests quickly can delay delivery. Now, go ahead and check that your phone is not in airplane mode and that text messages are not being blocked. Then restart your phone and request the verification code again. If the code still does not arrive, log in through the Lloyds online banking using a web browser to confirm your contact details or contact Lloyds customer support for assistance, and that's it. Subscribe for more quick fixes.